Welcome back, guys. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect ClickUp to Outlook with Integrately. Great for turning your tasks or updates into emails instantly. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To begin, search for and select ClickUp as your first app. Then search for and choose Microsoft Outlook as your second. From the list of one-click automations, pick Create ClickUp Task for new Microsoft Outlook event and click Activate. Next, connect your Microsoft Outlook account. After signing in, select the specific calendar you want to use as the trigger and click Continue. Then connect your ClickUp account. Once authorized, choose your team, space, and list from the drop-downs to configure the automation, then continue. In the Automation Builder, map the required fields. For example, map the task name in ClickUp using the subject from your new Outlook event. Finally, test and turn on your automation. Once confirmed, every new Outlook event will automatically create a task in ClickUp. And that's it. ClickUp to Outlook automated with Integrately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description link to try it yourself.